Yeah, I'll call you in some time. Okay. Fine, fine. All right. So what is happening here? Huh? What? You people need to know what's there in my phone. All right, all right. No problem. Let's proceed with it.
So the first question is your most used emoji.
All right. So my most used emoji is that fire one. So that fire I have to make it every time whenever I'm posting some like information regarding my sessions or everything. So Unacademy पे पढ़ाते पढ़ाते तब से that fire is like my main emoji that I have to use it every time, and it always gives some kind of motivation from inside only. So that's the most used emoji. Yeah.
Okay, so which one is your least used app?
Least used app. So least used app, I would say I have this game called Ludo King. I used to play it a lot earlier, but like it's since 1 or 2 year I'm not playing it, but it's still in my phone. I don't know why. I should delete it. But yeah, it's the least, or I would say I'm not using it at all.
So the next one is opposite of the previous question. So which is your most used app?
All right, so my most used app is not just one, it's like many because I'm working on Unacademy, so I have to use the Unacademy app, YouTube, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram. So I cannot live without these apps because my work is totally dependent on them. So yeah, these are my most used apps, and along with them, Zomato. Yeah.
All right. So next question is when was the last time you set an alarm?
The last time I set an alarm, I don't remember because I literally can't wake up with alarms. I need my mother to come and physically wake me up. So alarms won't work for me. So alarms won't work for me.
So which recent meme you found extremely funny?
Recent meme that I found extremely funny. Okay, so that must be some cat meme only because I'm following a lot of cat pages, cat meme pages on Instagram. So yeah, that would be some cat meme page, right? I don't exactly remember what was it, but somewhat related to cats only.
So how many total pictures you have in your gallery?
Total pictures, like okay, so I need to check it. All right, so I have 2501 photos and 172 videos currently in my phone. Yeah.
So how many shopping apps you have?
Shopping apps. All right, that's a tricky one because I think I can't even count. Okay, I'm just scrolling it because my apps are like very organized. I can see on just one screen, I can see there are more than 20 shopping apps. I won't name them. There are like many, more than 20, I'm saying. So yeah.
So the favorite song you are listening on loop?
The song that I'm listening on loop right now is Astronaut in the Ocean. So that's the recent song that I'm currently listening to, and it's that kind of song which gives me motivation every time. And recently, I'm launching a lot of batches on Unacademy, so I need some energy from inside also. Then only I can radiate that energy in the classes. So yeah, this is the song.
So next question is the most dial contact.
Okay, so the most dial number. First of all, I rarely dial. I just receive calls. And if I talk about the most dial, I can't even find it. It would be my brother. That is him who is asking the questions from me. So I require a lot of help from him during my work also because he's technically more advanced than me, and at the same time he's there to like fix a lot of problems for me. So yeah, he's same house, still I have to call him every time.
So the last question is can you imagine your life without phone?
So so this is a very funny question at the same time because I know my work is totally dependent on phone, and yeah, to stay connected with people and everyone I need my phone. But if personally, if you want me to answer from my heart, So I would say I don't want my phone, just take it away from me. I want to just live my life without my phone. I think I need some peace now without the phone. So okay, jokes apart, I cannot live without my phone because everything happens on my phone. So yeah, I cannot do without it.
So that was the last question.
Alright kids, so I really hope आपको मजा आया है ये जान के कि मेरे फोन में क्या है. So thanks a lot for watching it. Bye bye.